The Klein Tools MM720 digital multimeter is an impressive piece of equipment, offering a wide range of features and capabilities. With its auto-ranging TRMS technology, this multimeter provides accurate measurements for voltage, current, and resistance. One of its standout features is the low impedance, low Z function, which helps prevent false readings caused by ghost or stray voltage, making it ideal for troubleshooting electrical issues. This multimeter boasts an impressive voltage range, capable of handling up to 1000 VAC/DC. The current measurement is equally impressive, with a range of 10 AC/DC. Additionally, the MM720 can measure resistance up to 60 ohms, making it suitable for various electrical tasks. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, with a sturdy build quality that inspires confidence. The large backlit display ensures easy reading, even in low-light conditions. The multimeter also features an auto-off function to preserve battery life and a low battery indicator, providing convenience and efficiency. One notable aspect is the MM720's ability to measure frequency, a feature often overlooked in multimeters. This adds versatility, allowing users to diagnose a broader range of electrical problems. The multimeter also includes a diode and continuity test function, further enhancing its troubleshooting capabilities. In terms of safety, the MM720 meets CAT 31000V and CAT 4600V safety standards, ensuring protection for the user when working on electrical systems. The included test leads are also rated to these standards, providing an added layer of security. Overall, the Klein Tools MM720 digital multimeter is a powerful and reliable tool. Its combination of accurate measurements, versatile features, and robust build quality makes it an excellent choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're an electrician, a hobbyist, or a DIY enthusiast, the MM720 is a multimeter that delivers on performance and value.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.